Hello everybody! Welcome back to it.We channel. My name is Luana and today we're going to talk about daily maintenance. After using a gweikecloud laser, in order to expand the lifespan of laser equipment and greatly reduce the faults, a series of cleaning working is required, such like laser head, laser lens, and other little parts. Today we're going to put our hand on it step by step. Let's go get started. Before cleaning, please disconnect the power and reset the laser operating origin. Open the cloud laser glass cover plant. Remove the laser head dust cover and remove the tracheal diameter port. Remove the screw ring attached to the bottom of the laser head. Turn the right screw to move the cutting platform downward. Slowly remove the focus lens from below. Turn the nozzle off and wipe it with a swamp. Use a cotton swamp dipped in alcohol and do not touch the surface of the focusing lens with your fingers. Then use a cotton swamp to wipe the surface of the focusing lens and wipe the inner lens of the focusing lens. Wipe the reflector. Wipe several times until the mirror is clean. If there are spots in the middle of the lens that cannot be wiped off after cleaning, the lens needs to be replaced, please take a photo and contact us. Wipe the small hole on the dust cover shelf. Wipe and then put the focus mirror back. Put back dust cover. Pull out the machine drawer with the honeycomb board, pour down and wipe the cut debris, and wipe back to the machine. Open the glass cover. Use a cotton swamp dipped in alcohol to wipe the cloud laser top cover on the wide-angle camera. After wiping clean, cover the glass cover and then complete the camera cleaning. That'll be all today, and thanks for your guys' attention and watching this video, and make sure you give a big thumbs up and share this video with somebody you think you need. I guess I'll see you guys next time.